Well, good evening. My name is Tom. Get yourself a cup of coffee. I got a tree limb over here I'm leaning on. It's the end of the day, thank goodness. Been working down here at the shop, doing the finishing touches to the six-wheeler, getting it ready for deer season, and also getting it ready to head into Beaver Creek Deer Camp to get that opened up. Lighting's terrible. I realize. Light behind me is messing everything up, but I've had enough. It's been a long enough day. But anyways, deer season's coming. Moose season is coming also. My father, I think I told you back a couple of videos back, my father got drawn for the moose hunt. He is 81 years old, and well, I'm no spring chicken either. But we're going to go on the moose hunt in October. I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'm in the process now of getting my equipment ready. I've got to get up to the Rustic log cabin and get my little camper. I've got a little slide-in camper it's all it is a bed. It's a bed with a roof and that's it. So I've got to get that picked up, get that in my trailer so I can get that home, and then start preparing for the moose hunt, because it'll be here quicker than we think. So with that moose hunt in there, I want to say hello, Stacy. I haven't seen you in the last couple videos, Stacy. I hope things are all right. If I don't hear from you in this video, then I'll figure you're away on vacation or something. But we'll see. I haven't seen you in the last couple videos. Same thing with you, Glenn. I gotta get back on you and your comment. I apologize it's taking so long, but I will. The Patreon comments, if I don't answer them at home on the computer that I loaded up the video on, I can't tell when I get back if I answered your comment. So I try to answer the comments on Patreon when I'm sitting there uploading videos and all of that. But you had a great comment. I am excited that you are here in this channel. Your comment was you want to share some pictures. Share your pictures with me. I love getting pictures. I love getting hunting pictures especially. So my email address is on the About page, or I can put it in here, it doesn't matter. I'll probably put it in here for you, as well as I'm going to put it in your comment back to you. You can send me your pictures of your animals, stuff like that. I'd love to get them. And if you don't mind working them into some videos, every once in a while I'll do some videos where I work in people's pictures like that, so along with my own. So tell me it's okay to upload them, and you might see them in a video. So coffee, time for a coffee. I cannot tell you how busy it has been for me in the last 2 weeks. I told you a couple of weeks ago things was going to be busy. Well, things are busy. Things are busy. Well, I told you my mother there, we've had to take care of some of my mother's affairs. She's 81, and so we've been working with her and working with her stuff. And then for an update for you guys that have followed my wife for years and years and years, as far as her cancer treatments. Last month's video, last month when we went for her regular CAT scans, came back clean, no problems there as far as the cancer goes. But she has to have surgery. Something else cropped up in her CAT scans. So we'll be meeting with a surgeon there in a couple of weeks to figure out what we're going to do there. But so it'll all depend on what he says. But right now it looks like she'll have to have surgery for that. So I'll keep you up to date on that, and keep us in your hearts and thoughts and prayers. I do not like it when she has to go have surgery again and again and again. So it's been a rough 5 years for her. The last 12 actually. We started this 12 years ago with the first cancer, and then 5 years ago with it was almost 5 years ago, I guess. So we're still dealing with all of that. So I don't want to talk about that very long. That upsets me. But anyways, getting back to hunting season. Hunting season is upon us. We're into September now. October is here. Bear season is here. I'm not going to get a chance to bear hunt this fall. I've had, with family stuff, taken up the bulk of my time, as well as I know we've got some more here coming. So bear season I've put on hold for this year, and then we'll see what happens for next year. I was trying to make plans back in the summertime with the state of Maine, as far as getting on some public land. But outside of that, it's just plain been working. Working on family stuff, and also working on getting back into Beaver Creek. So we'll be back in there soon. I'm pretty sure the grass in there will be waist high. So I have to go in with a chainsaw, and I have to go in with a weed whacker. And by the time I'm in there, the trail will be cleaned out. And by the time I'm weed whacking, then the cabin will be up and going. There's nothing to opening up that cabin. Basically unlock it, go in. I have all the blankets all folded up and high off the bed and high off the floor. That keeps the critters out of it. I will set up my peanut butter bucket so we can get any stragglers that decided to move in there and spend the winter. We'll go from there. But outside of that, I am really looking forward to deer season. But if we do manage to get a moose, I'm going to have one full freezer. So I'll have moose in there, and I'll have deer in there if we have any luck at all. But outside of that, it's just been crazy. Beautiful day. I've been out here all day. Nice comfortable breeze. The sun has been out, but here I'm behind trees, so it's nice and shaded. And it's just been a good day to be working outside. Like I said, winter's on its way, so everything will begin to change here before too long. Hey, if you guys want to leave stuff in the comments, let me know. I know Eric has started his squirrel hunting. Leave in the comments, on this video. Leave in the comments what you guys are doing to get ready for deer season, or elk season, or whatever it is you do. Bear hunt, turkey hunt. Leave in the comments what you're doing. I enjoy reading comments about what you guys are doing as well. And that's what I liked about Glenn. He said it's really interesting to see what other people are doing when it comes to hunting and all that stuff in other parts of the country. And I'm the same way. So I got no throat today, got no voice. I'm the same way, Glenn. I love to see what you guys are doing where you're from. So if you want to share in the comments your hunting stories and your hunting experience and how you do stuff out there, I would be very interested. So that's what I like about Eric. Eric will send me pictures of his fishing trips. He's a charter boat captain, and has his own charter boat for taking people out on the Great Lakes for lake trout fishing and salmon fishing. I love seeing those pictures and love hearing the stories and stuff like that. So, hey, you guys have a great week. My throat is just about gone, and it doesn't matter how much coffee I drink. And I will see you next week.